Too sexy for this chain. Too sexy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell by the title, today we're gonna be doing my summer night routine. So first thing I'm gonna do is make me some dinner because I'm looking hungry. So y'all are gonna watch me cook some white rice and green beans, chicken, and probably some corn. So let's get started.
She says I am the one. She was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene. She don't mind, but what do you mean? I am the one. We dance on the floor and around. She said I am the one. She told me her name was Billie Jean. And she crossed the scene. Then heavy head turned the ice to dream of being the one.
Hey guys, so I'm finished eating and it's like a few minutes, like 30 minutes later, but now I'm gonna go take a shower. It's like 8:30 right now, so like I'm starting my night off right now. I'm gonna show y'all my pajama set after, and yeah, so let's go take a shower. So the pajamas of tonight are these cute little green pink plaid set. I got this from Walmart. I'm pretty sure they still have it over there. If y'all are wondering, I got this like last year, so I don't know if they're still over there. But it's this cute little pink set, or pink and gray set. It's long, they're both long sleeve, and it's really, really comfortable. So yeah. Hey guys, so I got out the shower, and I got my pajamas on and my bonnet. So now I'm gonna do some body care. So I'm gonna put on this Equate lotion and this Equate body oil gel. This together is like gives you the smoothest skin, for me at least. So y'all guys, so I really had like a really good day today. I have been really consistent on my YouTube work, and I'm really proud of myself, honestly, because I've been like wanting to do YouTube since 7th grade, and I've been saying I'm gonna lock in since 7th and 8th grade, and I said I was gonna do that freshman year too. But honestly, now I'm really locked in, and I really want to like continue because like I don't know, I really do enjoy vlogging and stuff, and it's like something that's like so fun to me. Like, it's not even just like I look at it as a job. I don't look at it as a job. I look at it as like, oh, this is my personal digital diary or something. Like, I could do anything I want on here. Well, not anything I want on here, but it's just like my space. So yeah. I really hope y'all are excited for my vlog on Saturday, because me and my homegirls, we're going out together. Well, we're not going out. We're having a girls' day, so that's a little sneak peek. If y'all are watching this vlog, you already know what the next vlog is. But yeah, right now I'm gonna do my skincare. This is CeraVe moisturizer. Honestly, y'all, if y'all have like any good skincare recommendations for me, like I have dry skin. If y'all have any good skincare recommendations for me, please put them in my comments or anywhere on my TikTok, because like I have really dry skin, and it's kind of hard for me to find like good skincare brands. I'm gonna try out Medicube and stuff, so let's hope they're a good brand. I'm honestly just looking for like one that keeps my face hydrated and stuff. Now I'm going in with some Vaseline. Honestly, y'all, I need y'all, like, do y'all prefer Vaseline or Aquaphor? Personally, I like Vaseline better on my face than Aquaphor, but I like Aquaphor on my lips a lot more. But I don't normally have Aquaphor. Like, I always have Vaseline and stuff, because like Vaseline is so versatile, like, and stuff. Like, you can put it anywhere on your body, for real. But yeah, I hope y'all are excited for back to school season, because I know I'm overly excited. Like, even though summer just started, like, I'm really excited for back to school season. I already have some packages in. I'm gonna give y'all some sneak peeks. I have 2 packages in so far for back to school season. So I really hope y'all stay tuned because my back to school season content is gonna hit like real bad. Like y'all gonna be like, wait, I know that's not Jessie post or something like that. Anyway, so my fragrance for now, I'm gonna put on this. Yeah.
Wait, the way perfume. Wait, mail.
But yeah,
Wait, mail.
I don't know what I want to do right now. Probably gonna so I currently just put my room into night mode because I love my room at night. This is what my room looks at night and stuff. So now I'm probably gonna chill for a little bit. I have to start planning other vlogs because I don't know when this video is gonna come out. I think it's gonna come out on Saturday or Friday. Don't count me on this, maybe even Thursday. But yeah, I think I'm gonna chill out for a little bit. I know later I'm probably gonna make a snack again because I'm hungry, but I'm not that hungry. Like, I just ate food. I'm probably gonna play some Roblox with my homegirls, and I want to make some green like detox tea. I've been drinking detox tea a lot lately, so I'm gonna drink some more. But right now I'm gonna do some work for TikTok and YouTube. So yeah. Okay, guys, so it's currently 10:30. I'm about to do some cleaning around the house for my mom. So first thing I'm gonna start off is washing the dishes and clean up the kitchen. Then I'm gonna do the living room and then just broom around. So yeah.
How much better can I show my love for you? Can I show my love for you? I do. For you. I do. Can I show my love for you? I do.
Okay, I finished cleaning up the dishes. So this is how the kitchen is looking right now. So I'm about to put on some hot water on the stove because I want to make some tea. I don't know why I've just been craving tea lately. So I'm gonna make some tea in a little bit, but I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. I'm at the living room now. Then I'm gonna make some tea and fill up my Stanley, and then I'm gonna lay down. It's almost 11. I'm planning to go to sleep by like 11:30, 11:50 around that time. And yeah, I was gonna burn, but I'm low-key lazy. But okay, let's go clean up the kitchen, the living room now, and yeah. Okay guys, so my hot water. This is the tea that I use. This detoxing. Okay, while I'm here, I'm gonna fill up my Stanley. This is my cute Stanley cover. Hope y'all like it, because I definitely do. Okay, so my Stanley takes up like 1.5 water bottles. I'm gonna put one because I have another water bottle in my room, so I'm gonna just drink some of the stuff. I have a little little bit extra for my tea, so I'm gonna put this in here. Okay guys, so I finished my tea. It's now 10:53, 10:52. I'm gonna go lay in bed and then I'm gonna go brush my teeth and probably go to sleep. Honestly, I might brush my teeth and start editing this video because I want to get this video out by tomorrow, which is Thursday, because I got another vlog for y'all Saturday. Well, it's being filmed Saturday, so I'm gonna go lay down for a little bit, start editing this video, and I'm gonna see y'all at the end of this. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to be notified every time I post a video, and I'll see you in the next one.